I was hired to redo the guest wing for my neighbor. Her sister wanted to surprise her while she was on vacation, so we started with the guest bath. It was outdated and feeling sad, so we gave it a mini makeover to brighten it up. First thing was to paint one accent wall in a pewter gray, with the other three in a teal green from Sherwin-Williams called Rainwashed. Of course, I had to finish out her mirror with a rubberized molding. It truly makes it look like a brand new mirror. Adding matching mosaic sink accessories, hand towel stand, and fun beach prints for the win. That was probably her favorite. And of course, you remember my DIY pampas grass and vase from a few weeks ago? That was always the intended spot. New soft white shower curtain, large oversized canvas art, and new guest towels and rugs to match. Here's the before and the after. Next up is the guest bedroom. To keep with the same coastal beach theme as the guest bath and bedroom, we just borrowed from what they already had to update this little entrance area to the guest wing. So here's the guest room before. We started by painting over the brown wall with the same pewter gray color that we used in the bathroom. We then hung 2 full-length arch-top mirrors to go above each nightstand. This helps to draw your eye up and makes the space feel larger and also adds light. Of course, new bedding, pillows, and linens in soft coordinating colors to blend the entire look. New mercury glass lamps and flowers add a touch of sophistication to that coastal vibe. For the final touch, we hung floor-to-ceiling semi-sheer curtains to soften and frame the beautiful view. We also zhuzhed up the armoire and settee. So here's the before and the after. So this is a quick recap of this project that was so much fun. Surprises can be a little scary, so we were really happy she ended up liking it so much. And we did this install in 2.5 days and spent less than $500 on all 3 areas. Now I say we because her sister Michelle was a big part of this and helped me so much. I could not have done it without her and her son Hunter, who did all the heavy lifting with painting and disassembly. We made a great team, and the look on her face was priceless, and I don't think we could have asked for a better reaction. And of course, iKondaLikeit.